Today we are going to visit Palakkad Fort or Tipu's Fort, which is in Kerala. Entrance gate, you can see, it is a miniature replica of the fort. See that? The guards are standing there. They are ready for the thermal screen. After thermal screening, you are permitted inside the area. Huge parking lot can be seen here. Usually it will be full. Now because of the COVID, it is empty. And efforts have been taken to preserve the trees in this area. Look around, you can see huge trees which are 250 to 300 years old. They provide a cool canopy. And the strange thing is that no fee is charged here. See how old the trees are? And on both sides you can see the trees. It's a shady feeling. Even in summer it gives a cool feeling. And there is a Vatika or Shila Vatika. Now it is also closed. That can be seen. It's a garden. And you can see the way towards the fort, and around the trees also there are seating areas. In the evenings, students, college goers, then senior citizens, everybody sits around, have the chat, and this is it. The fort can be seen. It's a huge fort. It's 7 bastions, and there is a moat all around the fort. So the area is protected and well maintained. The moat is very wide and deep, and see in earlier times, see that there is, you can see a bridge also. That is the only entrance to the fort. So this fort was under local ruler Palakkad Achan, who sought a help of Hyder Ali, the ruler of Mysore, against the invasion by Zamarin. So Hyder Ali, what did he do? He took this opportunity and gained possession of the fort. And Hyder Ali ruled this one for many years. He rebuilt it, renovated it, and this was built in 1766. Towards the side, see that you can see the joggers path. Now that is also closed. Otherwise, morning and evening walkers will be there. They enjoy going around the moat. Moat is all surrounding the fort. See that the moat is so wide and it's filled with water, and you can see turtles, fish, etc. inside. And cool breeze, no pollution here, and it is well maintained. So when Hyder Ali took over this one, he and his soldiers had this bridge. This bridge can be lifted in the earlier times so that it is protected, the fort is protected from invaders. Now this bridge is cemented. You cannot lift it. See the turtles? Earlier birds were also there in the moat. And many number of turtles you can see. Now after Hyder Ali, what happened? Tipu Sultan took over this one, and he also, as a Mysore, see that history is given here. Palakkad Fort, it's in district Palakkad. Palakkad is in Kerala. Till 1790, until the Britishers came, they captured this because of the strategic position of the fort. It's in the border to Tamil Nadu and all this one. The states came later on, but for the traders it was very good. So that is why they took over this, and they changed this fort into the military base. So all the military operations of the Britishers were done from this fort till the 19th century. And now we are going across the bridge towards the fort. You can see the both sides. The moat is there. How wide it is from the bridge you can see, filled with water. And because 7 bastions are there, we can see 1 or 2 from this side. The turtle is swimming So this is now under ASI, that is Archaeological Survey of India. It is a protected monument and the walls are very thick, made of laterite rocks, and there is again a gate because of the protection. More protection is given. The older one is there and here the new one is constructed as a protected. And as you move towards, see the thickness and both sides and the width of the entrance to the fort you can see. See, one or two bastions can be seen from here also. See that. And now we are entering into the fort. Into the fort you can see huge wooden wall, and this is the only entrance to the fort. This is to the eastern side of the fort, and this is huge rocks. So the fort is made with huge laterite rocks. See, we are showing this, and the way it's very good. The path is so wide. And now we are going inside the fort. What can you see inside the fort? You can see a small temple of Lord Hanuman, which is carved on inside wall of the fort. That is the speciality of this, and it is believed that Tipu Sultan and his soldiers used to pray Lord Hanumanji to protect them from their enemies. So they worshipped Lord Hanumanji, and you can see two more deities engraved on the wall, that is Ganeshji and said to be goddess Lakshmi. Now there is a gate you can see, and now that is also locked because of the COVID-19 protection, and inside it is sub-jail of Palakkad, and the granaries and the way to the top of this one can be seen, and it is amazing. And there is a step well and a huge mango tree.